Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying basics. Confirm the prescription, strength, and scheduled times. This prevents mistakes. Once done, check allergies and all current medicines, including OTCs and alcohol, because interactions matter. Make sure you have the pill supply, a glass of water, a small pill cutter if splitting is required, and the patient leaflet for reference. If anything is unclear, call your prescriber now. Do not guess doses. This early verification sets a safe foundation. You proceed to administration. Follow the schedule exactly and take each tablet with a full glass of water, unless the leaflet says otherwise, because food can change absorption. Once set, use a timer or a pill box to prevent missed doses, and remember, do not double dose to catch up. Make sure to observe and record any side effects for the first 48 to 72 hours. Note time, symptom, and dose. If effects are severe, stop and contact your prescriber immediately. You complete therapy by finishing the full prescribed course and keeping follow-up appointments. Stopping early can reduce benefit or cause rebound effects. Once treatment ends, make sure any side effects are reported to your clinician so they can adjust future care. If you experience severe reactions, difficulty breathing, intense rash, chest pain, seek emergency help right away. Troubleshoot common issues. For a missed dose, refer to the leaflet or call your prescriber before taking extra. This avoids accidental overdose.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.